I don't know why this, it's not a mystery. They show on their website everything you get. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and today I'm going to be unboxing a mystery box from Tarte. This is the Mystery Mix-Up Discovery Set. I purchased this in December when they were having huge sales, like awesome discounts. This, I believe, came out a little earlier, maybe in November, December. However, it's still available on the website. I'm filming this on January the 6th, Sunday, January 26th, and it is still on their website. It is $54 and contains a $130 value worth of makeup. Now, here's the deal. The main star in this mystery discovery set is the Clay Play Eye and Cheek Palette Volume 2, which costs $45. So, assuming you can't find a discount code, a coupon, wait for a sale, if you paid full price at $54, that is only $9 more than that palette alone. And you get 2 other full-size products, a bag, and 2 travel size products. So you, in my opinion, if you're going to be purchasing the Clay Play Eye and Cheek Palette, get the mystery box, because you will get so many other products and it makes it totally worthwhile. Okay, so let's dig into the box. This is how it arrives. Pop it open. There's some lovely purple, what do you call this? Tissue paper. And inside comes this bag that's plastic. Let's see what's inside. Okay. So the first thing, just because it's in the way, is a makeup bag. I'll be honest, it's not my favorite color scheme. It looks like something you would see at a child's birthday party, but I love Tarte. Okay, set that aside and let's dig in and get to the good stuff. Alright, here is the star. The star is this palette. This is an eyeshadow and cheek palette. We have a highlighter, contour, and blush. And there are 2, 4, 6, 9 eyeshadow colors. Okay, the next item. This is the Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara. Unfortunately, it's not waterproof, so I won't be wearing it. My eyes are extremely watery, and anytime I wear non-waterproof mascara, I end up looking like a raccoon. But the good news is I'm going to put this aside for a future giveaway. So some lucky person is going to be able to try this. All right. Next item. This is a drink of H2O, which is a hydrating moisturizer. Let's see if I can't open the box. Okay, so this is a deluxe sample size, it looks like to me. Not quite filled all the way, although some is stuck in the cap. It feels like a gel water type of moisturizer, and that honestly is my favorite. It has a lovely, nice scent, but if you are sensitive to fragrances, this may not be the best for you. I don't mind a good fragrance, and it does not irritate my skin, so I am happy to receive a moisturizer. Okay, the next item, this is the Maneater Double Duty Beauty Liquid Eyeliner in black, and this is a travel size. It has a roller ball. There's something about liquid eyeliners, I like them to have a roller ball. This is the tip. Let's do a sample. So you get a very fine, precise line, as well as you can go thicker. It's pretty black. Let's see if it's smudge proof or waterproof. Alright, I just ran my finger across it, and it did not budge. Thumbs up. The last item is Rainforest of the Sea lipstick, and this is in the shade Colada. Let's do a swatch. That is very lovely. It's a nice nude neutral color. It's very moisturizing. I already had it on my lips. Let's add some more. I like it. It's a nice color. It's very smooth. Feels moisturizing. It's I don't want to say glowy, but it's not matte. It's the type of lipstick I like. I like something to just glide on, feel moisturizing. Now it's probably not going to last or wear throughout the day. You'll probably have to touch up. I don't mind doing touch-ups. As soon as you eat, it's probably going to disappear, but I'm fine with that. I enjoy reapplying lipstick throughout the day. Call me weird, but I really don't care for matte, dry, long-lasting lipsticks. That's just a personal preference. Okay, let's recap. Okay, so you get the Clay Play Must Have Eye and Cheek palette. This alone is $45. You also get Tarteist mascara, which is full. You get the Rainforest of the Sea lipstick, full size. You get a travel size liquid eyeliner, as well as a deluxe sample / travel size H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. And last but not least, you get a makeup bag. So I think this is a fantastic deal, particularly if you're planning on purchasing the palette. Spend $9 more if you can get a discount code. It's worth it to buy this mystery bag / box. I don't know why this, it's not a mystery. They show on their website everything you get. But this discovery kit, completely worth the spend if you are after this palette. So give me your thoughts below. Do you own this palette? What do you think? Do you like Tarte? I personally think this was a fantastic deal, and I would purchase it all over again if I had the chance. All right, Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. This is a very new channel. So anyone who watches my videos, hi, nice to meet you. Thank you for stopping by. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell. I'm starting to do more and more content, trying to grow my channel. So I appreciate you for stopping by. Thank you, and see you next time.